Hi, this is Kevin from Reisch Roofing at 31 Winding Way in Princeton, New Jersey. Doing a second repair attempt for State Farm. They asked us to use a snake to do the repair. This was our prior repair and the damage that happened around it. Like I said in the previous video, important thing to remember is that a lot of these repairs, the shingles extend actually underneath the panels, so all the damage around them would require those panels to be lifted to change those shingles. This is the repair attempt we're going to be doing, and those are the shingles above it. Going to try to stand my phone up to do this. Let's hope that this works. Okay. So this is the roof snake. The tool is a good invention. There are some issues to the tool. For instance, the manufacturer requires the the nail head to be flat against the shingle. It cannot be in crooked, diagonal. The only way to do that would be to have this flat against the ground. Oh my goodness. Let's try this again. The only way to do that would be to have this piece flat against the shingle, because if you try to nail it like this, it will push the nail diagonally that way. There's no other way to get the nail in flat against the ground without having this flat. And what happens is, when this is flat against the shingle, it causes an impact mark right here on the shingle 2 rows beneath that nail, which then creates a divot or crushed granulars, which was not there prior to the repair and should not be there after the repair. I will start performing the repair. The wind keeps knocking my phone over. wait for the wind to die down because it does not want me. Or maybe I could put it like this. Still see. Okay. So, as I started saying in most of my repair time videos, that the reason we have to go 2 rows above it, as you can see in this, the nails that hold this shingle in are held in by its nails, and then actually the shingles above it as well, which is why we need to take out the 2 rows above it in order to take the repair. So as we get closer to this part, the only way to get this nail flush would be to put this part of the roof snake on top of the nail head to then push it down in to the roof surface. And when we do that, this would then have to lie on the roof in order to make it flat. Which now creates damage right here. The other way you can do it with the roof snake, which would then be, we put the nail in, And then right before the last few hits, we then use the hammer to do it, but that still requires us to lift the shingle to a 45-degree angle to get the nail head to drive through there, which still is a problem when doing the repair. As you can see, the nails don't always go straight down. Causes a lot of issues. Nail got broken. So from the repair, you can see creases still formed from the repair. Those creases weren't there prior to the repair. They should not be there after the repair. We used a roof snake, just like you asked. Still have the same issues. Additionally, you have more issues where it causes divots to form. Like, you see this right here? This is a divot from the impact of the roof snake. There's another divot right here. And those divots weren't there prior to the repair, and they shouldn't be there after the repair. I mean, roof snake's a great idea, just It's not perfected yet. Maybe in a few years it will be, but in the current model, it just isn't the way to go.